Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and I'm so glad that you're here. Today I wanted to share with you 3 of the new Rare Beauty blushes that I purchased. These are known as Soft Pinch Matte Bouncy blushes. So these are a cushiony cream to powder blush formula, and what they are supposed to result in is a flush of color that is a matte flush of color. So I wanted to take a minute to, or I should say a few minutes, to show you the ones that I purchased and swatch them on my face, and then also blend them out so that you can see whether or not this type of a blush or these shades or any shades that you would be interested in. I don't know about you, but when I go into Sephora or any sort of a store where there's a lot of variety, I tend to kind of get stuck and I don't know what to get, and I kind of overthink it a little bit. So sometimes I have no idea. I just get really confused. So I thought that since I had purchased these 3 shades, that maybe this would help somebody else decide. So anyway, I will get into this tutorial, and I would love to know what you think at the end. So this one here is Worth, which is described as a true rose. I would say it's a little bit corally on me, but I'm going to try it on now. I'm going to swatch it with my finger and then blend it out so that you can see what it looks like when it's swatched on my cheekbone, and then also how it blends out. I'm not trying to give anybody the finger here, it's just the finger that I happen to choose. Okay, so that's what it looks like in the pan versus on my cheek. I would say it's pretty close. Now I'm going to just blend it out with my brush. And you can see it blends really beautifully. I just really love Rare Beauty products. So far they haven't let me down. So this is the shade Worth, which is described as a true rose. So it gives a subtle flush of color. It's not, like it is pigmented, but it really spreads out or brushes out really nicely. It gives you just a really beautiful flush. So now I'm going to do the shade Truth, which is described as a soft plum. I'm going to swatch it on my cheekbone, and then I will brush it out, blend it out. So here is the shade Truth, just swatched on my cheekbone. I'm going to do the other side. And now I'm going to blend it out. The thing I love about Rare Beauty blushes is that they just blend so well, so easily, without any patchiness or weirdness, I think anyway. So this is the shade Truth. Again, it's described as a soft plum. Now I'm going to do the shade Happy, which is described as a cool pink. Swatch it on my cheek. Do the other side. Blend it out. Blend it out. You can see it just leaves such a lovely flush of color. Not too much, but it's buildable, so if you want more coverage you can apply more, you know. So this is Happy, a cool pink. So this is what they look like together in comparison, just on my cheek. So my final thoughts about these blushes is that they are a great quality blush from Rare Beauty, so it's not surprising to me because I really like their blushes and their makeup in general. I find them to be very, very easy to blend. They do leave a soft matte finish as opposed to the soft pinch blushes, which give you a little bit more of an illuminated effect. I love these. I love those as well. I would love to know which one of these is your favorite. If you've made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I would love to know what you think and whether or not this video helped you decide which blush to get if you were on the fence between these three that I tried on. Anyway, please remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon if you don't want to miss any more of my videos. I would love to see you again. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.